Hey y'all, Kitchen Trap Queen here with a vegetable skillet lasagna. This is an easy and quick way to make a lasagna. If you're interested in learning how to make this, guys, stay tuned. We're going to start off with our ricotta mixture. What I have here is some ricotta cheese and 1 egg yolk, some Parmesan cheese, some dried parsley, and we're going to mix this up. I could have just dumped everything in the bowl and mixed it up, but I just kind of did it in steps, I guess you can say. Now I'm going to add in some fresh basil and some mozzarella cheese. I'm going to season it with some salt and pepper, and I did add in a little bit of garlic powder at the end. Y'all know I have to add in my garlic powder to every recipe. And then give that a stir and set this ricotta mixture to the side. So now we're gonna chop up our veggies. What I have here is a small yellow onion and some portabella mushrooms. Y'all, I swear I hate chopping vegetables. When I become famous, I'm gonna get me a sous chef so that they can just chop and chop and chop for me, because I swear I hate cutting vegetables. But we're just gonna chop everything up and we're gonna put everything in a bowl and set this to the side. As you guys can see, I'm just going to do a rough chop to these sliced mushrooms. You can leave them sliced like this, how they come in the package, or you can just do a rough chop like I'm doing. It's up to you. And then once you do that, just place these in a bowl with your onions and set them to the side. And then in a cast iron skillet, I'm going to take some butter, and we're just going to season and saute our veggies with some salt and pepper. Once your veggies have cooked for a couple of minutes, we're going to gradually add in a 6-ounce bag of fresh spinach. Yes, you can substitute the fresh spinach with frozen, but if you are going to do that, make sure you squeeze out all that excess water from your frozen spinach. Once all of your spinach has been added to your skillet, go ahead and just season it with some salt, pepper, and then I am going to add in some minced garlic and go ahead and give that a stir. Okay, so right here, I'm just going to make a well in the middle of my mixture. You will have a lot of liquid coming off of your vegetables, which is fine because we're going to use that liquid to do what? Melt our softened cream cheese. Y'all already know this is not going to be a Kitchen Trap Queen recipe without cream cheese, y'all. So just put your cream cheese in the middle and allow that liquid to melt down all of that delicious cream cheese. Once your cream cheese melts down and gets thick, we're going to add in our half and half. I didn't have half and half, so obviously I did milk and heavy whipping cream, which is what half and half is. And we're going to add in some fresh basil as well. And we're also going to add in some refrigerated Parmesan cheese. I always have to specify refrigerated and not grated because, yeah, I just have to. And then once you stir that up, we're going to season it with some salt and pepper and, of course, some garlic powder. Next, add in some herbs de Provence, or if you don't have this, this is just a fancy Italian seasoning, and give that a stir and let your mixture cook and get a little thick. And then we're going to break up some oven ready lasagna and just place this in our mixture. Now I could have added some more of my lasagna noodles. The recipe called for 9 lasagna noodles, but I only added in 6. I don't know, I thought it was gonna be too much, but yeah, so make sure you add in 9 lasagna noodles because it would have been perfect. And then once you add in all of your noodles, go ahead and turn your heat off and then add your shredded mozzarella cheese on top. Once you're done with all of that shredded mozzarella cheese, then we're gonna take that ricotta mixture and just dollop it all on top. I didn't use all of my ricotta mixture, y'all, to be honest. I probably only used half of it. So it's up to you if you want to have this recipe or not. And then once you have your ricotta mixture on top, place it in a 350-degree oven for 30 minutes. And voila, guys, vegetable skillet lasagna. And then I did sprinkle on some fresh basil in the last 5 minutes of the baking process. And that was it, guys. Trust me, you will not miss the meat, y'all. This thing is so good and hearty. You will not miss the meat at all. Make sure you like, share, subscribe, and all of that good stuff, guys, and I will see you in the next video.